This is a Projection Augmented Relief Model, or PARM for short. PARM is a unique visualization tool that allows us to display 2D data in 3D by projecting maps and graphics onto a 3D printed model. This particular model is of an area of Bradford which is due for major regeneration over the next decade. For this model, we experimented with creating short stories that contextualise the history and geography of Bradford, adding data layers that can be viewed via a touchscreen, and incorporating 360-degree photos and video. Visualising Heritage, along with the Bradford City Council, have been evaluating the impact of this model in the context of city planning, public consultations and collaborative placemaking. PARM also has significant applications in a number of industries, such as architecture, construction, geography and education. Our team has been especially focused on researching the use of this technology within heritage and archaeology, aiming to learn how we can effectively communicate geospatial data in an intuitive and novel manner. To see PARM in action, click the link in the description to watch the introduction to Southern Gateway.